Hi everyone, welcome back to AZ Network channel. This is Roger again. In part 2, so in part 1 we were talking about the SecuX V20 and we were unboxing and we were exploring what's inside already. So you can check it out in my videos for part 1 if you wanna see what's inside this box. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it and how to easily configure and set up your SecuX V20 wallet. Hey guys, before started, please subscribe my channel and let's jump in. Alright everyone, as you see the SecuX, there's a power button right here. So just go ahead and turn on just hold it for a couple seconds. So you will see this QX, it will turn on. And right here, as you see, is it says welcome, thanks for choosing SecuX. We will walk you through a few steps to set up the device. So it's pretty straightforward. So you can see it right here. So what you need to do is just go ahead and click get started. Just get started. So it will ask you for personal PIN number. So go ahead, put your personal PIN number. And to confirm, it will ask you to confirm and put your PIN number again. It will ask you the next step, choose the name for your wallet. So you can put your name or any other name. And go next. The next step, it will ask you setting up a new wallet or you already have a wallet. So for right now, I'm going to choose a new wallet. So there's a important notes right here. It tells you the device will generate a 24 recovery code words. So if you lost your wallet or something, so you can recover it through the 24 words. So be prepared to save this 24 words. It's called a recovery words. So in the box you have a recovery sheet. So in the bag you can put your 24 words. So just grab a pen, be ready. So it will ask you to write down all your recovery codes. That's page number 1, and you can go next. Just write down number 1, which I'm gonna stop it and write it down in my wallet. Write it down in the recovery sheet. I'm gonna pause this video for a moment. Alright everyone, so I wrote down all of my words right here. So I'm not gonna show you guys because it's a credential and you need to save it for yourself. So please be careful with this. You can double check it right here to go back, and next is gonna take you to the next step. But you can always go back to take a look that. Make sure you wrote all of your recovery code correctly, and then the next step, just click next. It will ask you confirm recovery number 1. Say choose the number 1, and you can check on your recovery sheet which one is number 1. So just and then ask you all the numbers. Put the number 2 and then number 3, number 4. So you need to choose all of them. I'm gonna pause it because it's 24. I don't want to take your time with my long video, so I'm gonna just pause this video for a moment. Alright guys, so after you confirm all of your recovery code, the last step it shows you congratulations, and the device is now set up successfully. Click next to go to account and portfolio. So just click next, and right here it shows your account, and right here it shows your account portfolio with a Bitcoin and I don't okay, Litecoin and Dogecoin and all of this like coins that's available in the market. So I'm gonna connect my device to my computer, and I'm gonna walk you through there. Let's jump in.
Alright, everyone. So I connect my SecuX wallet through the cable. You can connect it through Bluetooth, whatever easier for you. So I connected through the USB. So first you need to go to wallet.sqxtech.com and choose the USB. So you can see your wallet right here. And go ahead, click connect. So as you see right here, it shows you welcome, and it shows you some information, the firmware version and stuff. So just click continue, um, and what you need to, it says a firmware update available. You can update it later. Um, Always try to update the framework, because that's gonna make your device up running perfectly. So I'm gonna click on the Bitcoin in the left side. It says updating. There's a bunch of coins already created, like a portfolio co created. So just go ahead and you can rename it or just delete it. So I'm gonna show you the device at the same time as well. So as you see, if I click delete this one, so it's gonna be disappear in your wallet. So just go ahead and delete those accounts right here. Um, what else is there's a Litecoin, I can see it from. Just go ahead. You can keep it and you can delete all of them. I'm just gonna delete all of them because I don't need any of them. Um, just add those account that you really needed. Okay, there is no BNB, there is no this one. All right, so the Dogecoin, there's some accounts for Dogecoin. You can go ahead and delete those one as well. I can see it from my device when I delete it. All right, guys. So as you see right here, you have all the coins. You can add account and just create your account and send and receive any coin you want. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Ethereum account. Just go ahead, click Ethereum and click Add Account, whatever. I'm gonna just call it as a test. When you click OK, so the Ethereum should show up in your wallet right over here. It shows test. So you have a test account portfolio, so you can use it. And if you click it, so you can send it, receive it, and buy it. Actually, you can buy it right from here. Um, like say, hey, I want to buy that much amount of Ethereum. That's a pretty cool feature. Anyway, so you can buy Ethereum. I don't know whatever coin you can buy it. May see BNB test. I'm gonna create the Binance. Let me see if I can buy any Binance coins. Okay, so it seems like you can just buy maybe Ethereum and Bitcoin through the wallet, which is really cool, like a really easy. You just go ahead, click buy, or like a just you can receive it. That's your address. You can copy and send it whenever you want. This is your address. Please make sure that okay, right here it shows your address to receive it. You can close it from the computer until you click yes right here and say done. When you say done, then you can copy the address and send your Ethereum to this wallet. So as you guys see, there's a setting as well, so you can go ahead and update, enable the update mode and start a firmware update. If there's an update available or is SE update available, you can go ahead. There is some you can clear the cache and reset the cache. Cache is some extra files from your wallet that takes some memory, so you can reset it from here. And yeah, that's all about the SecuX and how to use it. I hope you guys learn it from it, and please if you have any questions about how to use it or have any trouble with using it, so just put in the comment. I'll try to answer all the comments as soon as possible.
Alright guys, so that was all about the V20 SecuX cryptocurrency wallet. I explained everything in the video. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you are really interested to get one of the SecuX cryptocurrency wallet, please use one of my discount codes. I'm going to put it in the video, in the description, and you can see it right here in the video as well. I hope you guys like my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.